You have probably been told that whenever your child does something wrong, you should immediately punish them in order for them to learn a lesson. I'm here to tell you that isn't necessarily the case. Many parents believe that punishing a child is the way to get them to do the right thing, and eventually they will grow up to be happy and well-adjusted adults as long as they don't get by with any bad behavior. That is the main foundation of their parenting philosophy. There is some truth in that. The problem is, if this is the foundation of your parenting philosophy, you may be seeding a growing rebellion that will manifest itself in much bigger problems in the future. But I'm not talking about never giving a child consequences for behaving inappropriately. I'm talking about the very foundation on which a parent's mindset drives their actions. There are basically two kinds of parental mindsets that have a lot of variations to them. But the two basics are a punishment-based mindset and a relationship-based mindset. When a parent has a punishment-based mindset, they rely completely on enacting punishments to control the child's behavior. That is the first and most important thing on their mind when a child misbehaves. What kind of punishment should I enact? That mindset by itself can be very damaging to the relationship because the motivation is to punish. It is not to teach and build a relationship. So let's say a child steals a cookie from the kitchen without permission. If the parent's first thought is to find a way to punish them for this behavior, for example, they might want to give them a spanking, scold them, take away a toy, send them to the corner for timeout. This immediate and trigger-based response is not helpful because the parent is not thinking about the depth of the problem or how to maintain or build a good relationship with the child through this minor incursion. They are focused on the punishment they can enact. This might work for the moment, but it will also cause anger and resentment without teaching and training them to do better in the future. In fact, it will often result in the child doing passive-aggressive type behaviors in response, like crumbling a cookie to make a mess of crumbs on the floor. When a parent has a relationship-based mindset, they instead realize that the foundation under which all their actions lie is set upon a relationship of trust. Their main goal is to find a consequence that will teach the child how to behave while at the same time building and maintaining a good relationship. So a relationship-based parent would instead think of what would help the child realize they need to do the right thing and set a consequence that relates to the behavior so the child will clearly understand that it is a reasonable parental response and not done in anger. In the stolen cookie scenario, instead of a trigger reaction of thinking how to punish the child, a parent would focus on why the child took the cookie and what they can do to set consequences that are related to that behavior and will teach them not to do it the next time. The thought is more about how the child will learn from it rather than how to punish them for it, and how a parental response will be received to maintain a relationship of trust. So a relationship-based parent might instead ask the child why they stole it and what they think was wrong with this behavior. Then they might even ask them what they, the child, think should be done about it. A discussion would ensue where the parent and child have communication. The parent could let them know of their disappointment in their behavior, but also let them know everyone makes mistakes and they are sure the child will do better next time, ensuring the child of an underlying confidence in their good behavior. In the end, a consequence that relates to the behavior, such as missing out on an ice cream dessert after dinner when the rest of the family is eating it, and cleaning the counter where the cookie crumbs have fallen. A child who is old enough to get on the counter and steal a cookie is likely old enough to understand the connection between those two events, and therefore will understand this is a fair and reasonable consequence to what they did. So this might not be appropriate for a toddler who wouldn't get that connection. Understanding the child's maturity level, meaning how they can relate time to the cause and effect, is really important. But a parent with a punishment-based mindset is so focused on punishments that they totally miss the main foundation of a good parent-child relationship. So how can you be sure to have a good relationship-based mindset as a parent without letting your child get by with inappropriate behavior? In the next video, I will explain how to set appropriate consequences so you will be able to quickly figure out what to do to help your child behave while at the same time building a relationship of trust. For more on that, you can also visit me at my website, mommyanswerlady.com. Parents, you can do this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you here next time.